Welcome today as we look at the bald eagle. The bald eagle is a bird of prey found in North America. But they aren't really bald. The largest bald eagles tend to live in Alaska, where they sometimes weigh as much as 17 pounds. They live around 20 to 30 years old in the wild. They build the largest nest of any North American bird. Some bald eagles' nest can weigh as much as 2,000 pounds. Some bald eagles sometimes have been known to attack humans. But the injuries inflicted are hardly lethal. During the mating season, bald eagles become much territorial. They are strong birds, so it is best to keep a safe distance from a bald eagle and to respect the bird's space. The bald eagle, with its snowy feathered, not bald, head and white tail, is the proud national bird symbol of the United States. Yet the bird is a strong bird.